Welcome to Barrowsland peeps. Nameamuhera Kaufela. Remember to like, share, subscribe, get notified, and also leave a comment. As we peep into Barrowsland today, our brief peep into Barrowsland today is simply to see or to identify the 3 commonest meat animals that you find in Barrowsland. And these are the pig. Okay, as you can see, we have the pig. Which other one? We have the goat. And we also have finally the cattle. These are the 3 commonest meat animals that you find in Barrowsland. Very, very common. Find them almost in every village. Okay, that is it for today. Please enjoy yourself. Remember to like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and leave a comment. Hope you know what animals to find in Barrowsland. See you soon. Bye.